Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will study about the last topic of this chapter 3 unit 1, that is magnetic force. This is the last topic of this unit. After this we have to do question answers and these exercises work. So what is magnetic force? Now we have to study about magnetic force. So question arises, what is magnetic force? So magnetic force is the force by which magnet attracts or repel, the force by which magnet attracts or repel the object of iron, steel, cobalt and nickel. Understand, the force by which magnet attracts or repel the object of iron, steel, cobalt and nickel is called magnetic force. Understand, is called magnetic force. Understand. So this is the definition, understand, of magnetic force. The force by which magnet attracts or repel the object of iron, steel, cobalt and nickel is called magnetic force. So here the question comes, the force by which magnet. So magnets are of two types. First one is bar magnet. Understand? First one is bar magnet. It look like this. This is a bar magnet. Understand? It look like this. Understand? This is a north pole N. This is south pole S. Understand? This is a bar magnet. Second one is horseshoe magnet. Understand? Horseshoe magnet or U-shaped magnet Second, so first one is bar magnet, second one is horseshoe magnet. It is also known as by the name U-shaped magnet because its shape is like this. Understand? This is the north pole, this is the south pole. So this is horseshoe magnet, this is bar magnet. Horseshoe magnet is more stronger than bar magnet. Horseshoe magnet is more stronger than bar magnet. Understand? So magnet are of two types, bar magnet and horseshoe magnet. Understand? Now what it is written? The force by which magnet attract or repel. So attract means, you all know that attract means चिपकाना. Understand? Attract means चिपकाना. That means it will fused. Attract, it will fuse, it will cling to the objects of iron, cobalt, steel. Understand? And what does this repel mean? Repel means दूर जाना. Repel means दूर जाना, in the opposite direction. Understand? That means repel, दूर भागना. ठीक है? Yes. So attract means चिपकाना and repel means दूर जाना. The force by which magnet attract or repel the object of iron, steel, cobalt and nickel. So that magnetic force is work on these objects, iron, steel, cobalt and nickel. Understand? Not only in iron. Many of you just know that that magnetic force works only in iron, but no, it work in iron as well as steel, cobalt and nickel also. Understand? It's called magnetic force. Understand? So what happens? These magnets also develop their magnetic field while giving the power. They also develop, the magnet develops magnetic field. Understand? The magnet these magnet, what they do, they create these magnet create their own magnetic field. What they create their own magnetic field. Understand? And when any object of iron, steel, cobalt and nickel comes in the range of that magnetic field, what happens? It will get cling to the magnet itself automatically. Just what we need to get those pieces of iron, steel, cobalt and nickel in the vicinity of the magnetic field. Understand? In the vicinity, that means in the area of that magnetic field. Understand? It will automatically get attracted. It will automatically get attracted. So like this, they have their magnetic field. Understand? Like this, they have their magnetic field. Understand? Understand? This is the magnetic field. This is magnetic field. Understand? This is known as magnetic field. Understand? Magnetic field. Understand? So these are the circular line which I have drawn. These are actually an imaginary line. Understand? Are the imaginary line, and what does these lines denote? These line denotes the magnetic field of the magnet. Understand? And when the object of iron, steel, cobalt and nickel comes in the area of these magnetic field, what happens? It will get attracted to the magnet automatically. Understand? So this is known as magnetic field. Understand? So now see investigation 3.3 given in your book. Investigation 3.3 given in your book. Understand? So what it is given? Investigation 3.3 given in your book, that now what? Investigation 3.3 given in the book. And now what they are doing in this investigation, what is this investigation based on? This investigation is based on the deduction of magnetic field. Understand? Based on the deduction of magnetic field. This investigation is based on the deduction of magnetic field. Understand? Magnetic field. Understand? Investigation 3.3 given on the page number 53. Given in page number 53, and based on the magnetic field deduction. Now see what they are doing. They are having a ball. Understand? They are having a bowl. Understand? This is known as bowl. Understand? Bowl means katora. Understand? And on that, what they are having? They are having these iron fillings. Understand? They are having these iron fillings. Understand? They are having these iron fillings. What is this? This is iron fillings. Iron fillings. Understand? These are the iron fillings. And what we will do? We have a ball containing the iron filling. Now what we will do? We will place a bar magnet just till here. Only till here. Understand? This is north pole, this is south pole. Understand? What we will do? We will take a bar magnet and place in the bowl till here. Understand? Till here, not wholly inside. Only just that its mouth will get inside the bowl. Only till the mouth of the magnet, that means the north pole of the magnet, will get inside the ball. Understand? Only that we have to dip inside the ball. Now what happens? We will see that after dipping this bar magnet, what happens? After dipping this bar magnet, what we will observe, that north pole will get attracted with the iron filling. Understand? What happens? That bar magnet will get attracted with the iron fillings. Understand? Like this. Understand? Like this. What happens? We will see that iron fillings get attracted to the bar magnet. Iron fillings will get attracted to the bar magnet. Understand? And why does it get attracted? Because of the magnetic field. As soon as we will dip the bar magnet inside the cling, what happens? Because of the magnetic field of the magnet, what happens? Those iron fillings will get attracted to the bar magnet, and it will cling on the, cling means chipak jana. Understand? Cling means CLING, cling. Understand? CLING, cling. Cling means chipak jana. What happens? These iron fillings will get cling to the north pole. Understand? So this will prove the magnetic field of the magnet. Understand? So next we have investigation 3.4. Investigation 3.4 we will have. Investigation 3.4. So what do we need for investigation 3.4? We need a glass table. First. Understand? Second, horseshoe magnet. Understand? Third, what do we need? We need a iron car. That means a car made up of iron. And third, what we need? We need a wood table. Understand? These four things we need to do this investigation 3.4. It is also given on page number 53. Understand? These four things we need to have. So what we will have? We will have a glass table. So consider this as a glass table. Understand? This is a glass table. Understand? What is this? This is a glass table. Understand? And what we will do? We will have a iron car placed on this table. Understand? Consider this as a iron car. And what we will do? This is the iron car. Understand? Iron car means a car made up of iron. And when we will have a U-shaped magnet, that is horseshoe magnet, and we will take that horseshoe magnet and place under the table. That means beneath the table. Understand? Like this. Understand? This is the horseshoe magnet. What we have done? We have placed under the table. Magnet placed under the table. Understand? And what we will do, as soon as we will cling the magnet to the glass, understand, and we will shift like this, understand. What we will do, we will take a bar magnet and place under the, that this is a table, and from here we will place, understand, and above what we will have a iron car placed above the glass table. And when we will touch like this below the table, and we will move like this and this here and there, what we will see, we will observe that the car which is placed above the table, what happened, it will also move here and there, it will also keep on moving by the movement of the horseshoe magnet, understand. So what we will do, then we will replace it by the wood table, understand. After this, what we will do, we will replace the glass table with the wood table, understand. We will replace the glass table with the wood table, understand. Now what we will do, we will replace the glass table with the wood table. Now what is this? This is a wood table, understand, wooden table, understand. Consider this as a wooden table, understand. And now what we will have, again we will place a car, understand, above the table. And what we will do, we will place a U-shaped magnet below the table. Now what we have done, we have replaced the glass table, now we have taken a wooden table, and again on the wooden table, now consider this as a wooden table, and again on the wooden table we will place car like this, understand. We will place a car like this on the table above, and what we will do, we will place a U-shaped magnet below the table, understand, wooden table. And when we will shift the magnet below the wooden table, we will see that car will also move above the table, understand. That means we will see that car will also keep on moving above the table. As soon as we are moving the magnet below the table, we will see that car is also moving above the table, understand. So what does this means? This experiment proves that magnet. This experiment proves that magnetic force can easily. This experiment proves that magnetic force can easily pass through glass and wood, understand. Substance like glass or wood, by like these substance, what happens, magnetic force can easily pass, understand. So with that two experiment, what we have detected 2 points, understand. The first point is that a magnet, the first point is magnet exert magnetic field, that a magnet exert magnetic field, a magnet exert magnetic force, understand, magnetic force. A magnet exert magnetic force on the object of iron, understand. Second, what we have find, that magnetic field pass easily from substance like glass, or wood, understand. So these 2 points we have detected, that magnet exert magnetic force on the object of iron, understand, magnetic force on the object of iron, magnetic field, and second, magnetic field can easily pass through the objects of glass or wood, understand, can easily pass through, understand. So by these two investigations, that means by taking these two experiments, we have concluded these points, understand. So what is magnetic field, what is magnetic force? That means the force by which the object get attracted or repelled, understand, the force by which the magnet attract or repel the object of iron, cobalt, nickel, understand, and steel are known as magnetic field. Understand? So by this what happened? The whole topics of this unit, that means of chapter 3 unit 1, is now I have explained properly. Understand? Now what you all have to do? You all have to watch these videos. Those who have not seen previous videos, watch it, clear it. Any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay? Thank you.